Got a whole row of them here. Well, there's a row of them here, and then there are like 4 more rows behind these. Dude, if you are looking for a part for, I guess this is going to be 73 to 87. Wow. I used to have one incredibly similar to this. It was a 3/4 ton with a small block and a 4-speed. And we got to go over there. See? Even a wrecker in that body style, like 83 to 87-ish. Hard to find Suburbans in this body style. Check out the Blazer over there. Had a couple of those before. Wow. 3/4 ton 4x4 over there. Right here, I wonder if they still have 6.0s in them. Everywhere else, those engines are gone. 2500 HD Duramax diesel. See what's in here. Motor's still in it. These have a tendency around Tampa to be gutted of their drivetrains before they get put in the yard. Another Duramax diesel. Wow. Well, can't check. It looks like it's thoroughly complete. Looks like the drivetrain's in it. Let's get up under here and see. Yep, it's in there. I'll be damned. They just put a front end under it too. Check it out. Oh, that stuff was new. What do you think the tranny went? Motor went? Dude. That whole side tire mount assembly there. It's all there. Factory clutch. 6-popper. It's right out of my childhood right there, man. Little painted white bumper. Is that a GMC, one of the 305 GMCs? I'm not meaning like the Chevy 305, but I'm gonna have to get back to the hotel and check into that. Oh. Oh. You can tell it's a GM because that right there. Yet another clutch truck. Long bed with a step side. And another one. Chevy over here. I think it's... Here we go. Somebody put some time into those flames. Wow. Gotta admit, pretty cool spot. Ram charger. Try to find one of those tailgates. Four by four. Engine gone. But there's the Dodge Ram. Somebody needed a roof, I guess. Some Mopars over here. Wonder how many they made with 318s in them. All the air conditioning parts. late 60s Chevy. Pick them up over there, fleet side, long bed. Another one right in front of it. And don't even look over there. Don't look. Don't you dare. Okay, that's why your mail hasn't gotten here. All right. Automatic truck there. Remember those chrome pieces? Like 73 to, what, 79 maybe? 78? Another complete setup to mount your tire on the side. Cool pieces in here. Bill Elliott sticker there. Wow. Got a row of F-150s there, like 80s body style. It's a 250. Back when they called them Rangers, the orange one there. That row goes on, man. It's all Fords. Got another row over here. Wow, all the way down. Get a little newer down there, getting into the 80s as we go, but a couple of Fox body convertibles sitting right next to one another. So I'm gonna go down there and look at the Dodges. Holy crap, look at the coolness dripping off that tractor. I'm also passing a lot of Rangers out here, little newer ones, little older ones. But there's a whole row. It continues way on down there, extended cab, standard cab. And then there's a row behind that that has even more. And you can see some of them are the very early ones. Some Bronco 2s. There's gotta be 50 of them. All US 10 guys. Square body in a Blazer. Two-door Blazer. Lots of 2- and 4-door Blazers. And then all the way up through there. Both sides of the row right here. I'd say there's a dozen of them. Maybe 14. So if you're looking for that kind of stuff. I'm gonna get another shot of the sign before I leave here. I realized earlier I didn't get a good shot of the phone number. Yeah, I got several down through there. This was from that era when Chrysler decided to make everything front wheel drive. And on that one, they also put a turbo. A little bug on the end. There's the Barracuda. Another Granada. And another Ranchero. Cordoba. Whoa, whoa, man, that thing's rough. Somebody probably, oh no, it's still got the rich Corinthian leather seats in it. See that in there? Ricardo Montalban would be so very proud. I know I seem to be a little sidetracked by this stuff, but it's so cool to see buildings like this still up. Even if they're just deserted and stuff. Man, it's just such a cool structure. Thanks for your patience. Cosmic brownies. Grab that. Cultivators on the front, or is that something else? But look at the grill. Once again, look at the way the steering comes all the way up. Big rod coming through there, big shaft. Comes all the way over here, all the way back here. Then goes down there. And then by the time it's all said and done, it's back here. Steering wheel with the kind of quick turn assembly there. Old tractors really are fascinating. I don't know if you guys can make that out, but it says Thomas Used Cars and Auto Parts. This is about 10 minutes outside of Aiken. And you can see over here, it's just kind of a normal junkyard here, but it's also open till 2 and it's 1 o'clock, so I'm going in. Makes life a lot easier when you just show up at one place and video like 150,000 vehicles, right? Scottsdale with a long bed step side. That's kind of wild. Little Z28 with T-tops. Wouldn't you think 85, 86? Little Cougar. Four-door 66 Boo. Now see this? I'm kind of wondering what's up with this. Filled in like a sedan delivery. Shifter on the floor. Did that just happen? $60. Crew cab. Old Bonneville. Probably early 70s. Chevy trucks. Firebird with T-tops. Four-door Boo. Ranchero over there. See? This is what, and also, see on the back of the wagon. Put the caddy taillights in there. But this is why you always stop. This is why every time you think, oh, I'll go back later. No, you go in now. This is exactly why you go now. Oh, dude. Got the Buick. There's the Ranchero. Got another Wildcat over here. '78 to '81 Z28, as evidenced by the little fender vents. Got a Barracuda over there. What? Edsel? Cheyenne? What? Another four-door Granada. Now this one looks interesting. I wonder if that really is a Shelby. Well, it has that and that. You know, look at the hood. That's interesting.